Today I want to come and see how much further we can bring that and implement it in schools.
It's actually a great opportunity if I can see how he thinks and how he executes things.
It's also a bit comforting knowing that there are people older than us who are also learning about the same thing.
I think my dad is nervous to work with my teacher.
Our challenge statement allows us to look into the real-world problem that we are currently facing,
addressing mental well-being, to getting independence,
and to think of solutions to solve that problem in a real-world context.
When we talk about the needs of the students, we see one side of the story while the parents sometimes see the other side. The program was a great chance for us to actually work together in a team.
When you hear from different perspectives, especially from the children themselves, you get a chance to really hear what they think, and not only from a cognitive level, but also from an emotional level.
It inspires me to listen more to the kids, offer them a platform to speak up and share their ideas.
They're very encouraging, they let me finish what I have to say.
I think there's no right or wrong answer. There's nothing wrong in having your own opinion.
The youth are going to be the agent of change moving forward. We have to allow the student the space to explore, to give them room to make error. That's how we build them up.
I feel like a proud parent. I see the effort that he has put in, and I see the growth in him throughout the 3 weeks.
It was really nice to see how the ideas that we came up with along the way really just came together.
The very statement that the children is so apt, really like that. Capability of each voice. Very, very well done.
I was very happy to receive the certificate, and it was something that I felt proud of.
I think this experience will give me a chance to think whether I should adjust my role, let my daughter have more control, what she wants to do.
This workshop actually brings on a lot of good bonding with the parents and the children, gives them an area to open up any fears that they might have, but they might not show it up in front of the parent.
And run our schools in a more empathetic way so that we bring solutions to the real world that are making sense to everyone around us.